Western Sydney's new university building, Parramatta Engineering Innovation Hub, is full of new technology, providing help for students throughout the course of their studies. However, some digital aspects of its overall design are flawed, specifically the lifts. Lifts are an easy form of transport, helping you travel from one floor to another in the space of seconds, eliminating the need to use stairs. They are convenient if you're running late to class and get rid of the hard work needed in walking up possibly hundreds of stairs. The reason lifts within PEIH are flawed are due to the inconvenience they provide, which certainly shouldn't be an issue, as they are designed for convenience. The lifts within the building feature a touchscreen device, with the numbers of each floor level. These are placed on every single lift. When you select your desired floor number, a letter will appear on your screen, telling you to go to that corresponding lift. As you can see, there shouldn't be a need to have to travel all the way to another lift, but already use the one you are waiting on. As students, Project 21C allows us to go further than training, skills, and disciplinary knowledge, so that we can flourish within the new world of ever-changing environments. Through developing hybrid capabilities and skills, as industrial designers, we will be able to notice areas in need of improvement to create a more ethical and just community, in which we live seen firsthand through this task of knowledge translation and transformation, specifically through my focus area lifts. Elective units, curiosity pods, sub-majors, staff, and external partners are all resources in which 21C provides, helping us succeed. What is the problem and what am I researching? The problem with the lift is how they are designed to allocate a certain lift for a certain floor level, which is inconvenient as you have to walk to another lift despite already being at one. To solve this, I will research other design solutions and how to keep the user at the same lift they are at. Why am I researching it and why is that needed? I am researching this so that users have a better and more convenient experience with the lifts, which is needed so that they have an enjoyable journey through interacting with the buildings and digital aspects and remain unstressed, which could change if they are running late, for example. When is it used? The lifts operate during PEIH's opening and closing hours, which are 8 AM till 6 PM. Where is it located? The lifts are located at every floor level of PEIH. How will the design problem be fixed? The design of the lifts will be fixed by allowing users to operate and interact with them without needing to relocate to a completely different lift. As stated, the lift's design is inconvenient and can have its users running all over the place trying to find the right lift. Previous solutions to this involve the standard lifts you see at most places where you press the button once to go up and down, then select the floor level once the same elevator door opens. The problem is hard to solve as the lifts must be simplified compared to the current advanced technology which is currently in place. Users who are impacted by the problem, mainly being tutors and students, should be considered through how their currencies are exchanged. Both value education, one wanting to learn and the other to teach, and in relation to the lifts want to be able to make it on time to class, which can make it difficult if you're in a time crunch and have to search for which letter lift this touchscreen is telling you to go to, causing stress and anxiety being a key universal theme. A short-term solution would involve closing off a portion of the available lifts so that its users have a selection to choose from, eliminating the need to travel to the other side of the rows of lifts. A solution to be established over time includes leaving the floor numbers on the touchscreen but getting rid of the message to go to the letter allocated lift, allowing the user to stay at the lift they are at as it gets ready to pick them up. It will also display what level the lift is currently at as the user waits for it to come up or down. My approach towards finding a solution to the lifts in PEIH involved discovering what was out there and its different designs. From this I found control panels which were messy and unclear and others which were simple and precise. The messy ones had numbers out of order and color-coded systems which didn't work, but the better designs involved concise numbering and layouts, proving how simpler and easy to use designs are best. Through talking to users across the building, the majority said the lifts were confusing, time-consuming and inconvenient. They said they would rather stay stationary and wait for the lift to come, compared to looking for the corresponding lift from the touchscreen. From this data, prototypes were made, and in the end I came up with a design, which eliminates users from traveling to different elevators, but stay put where they are. The design's touchscreen, which previously gave a message to go to the corresponding letter or lift, is no longer there, but is now an update of which level the elevator is coming from, so that users know how long away it is. Due to this, users can now stay put instead of searching for different elevators. With the new design, users no longer have to rush around searching for their elevator, when they can stay in one spot and wait for it to come to them. This reduces levels of stress and anxiety, which might already be high if you're running late to class or an important meeting. This is applied through recoding the current message of letters and pointing arrows to the numbered level the lift is on, then allowing users to travel to the desired floor.